So I was cleaning out my storage unit and I found this little baby without a head, and I also found this like hanging lamp thing. So I was thinking I could maybe combine them into something interesting. So I think that the width of this like lamp and the baby head are pretty similar, so I'm gonna try and Dremel out this little bit of the neck. Always wear your safety gear. Okay, now it's time to Dremel his neck. Okay, so I got the head off, and now I need to do like a hole in the back so that there's a place for the plug to come out. I was gonna do it on the butt, like below, because it already had a hole in it, but it won't sit down like flat, so I gotta do it out the back. Also, look how weird it looks on the inside. I think this baby is on fire. Okay, we got the hole. And he does look a little bit wet because he was smoking a little bit, and I was afraid that he caught on fire. Anyway, let's put the lamp thing in and see if it works. Hopefully I made this hole big enough. There we go. Okay, it's a big cord, hold on. It's looking pretty good. I gotta put a light bulb in it, and then let's turn it on. It looks so good. And I put an LED bulb in there. Don't ever talk to me or my son ever again. I think I might get some lace and add like a little collar around him, but that'll be in another video.